have worked really hard thinking about difference. And for the last part of the lesson, we are going to be looking at these subtraction facts. And we're going to be looking at pairs of numbers that have got a difference of 2. So these are our subtraction facts. And what I would like you to do is look for subtractions, look for pairs of numbers that you think have got a difference of 2. Talk to the person next to you, look at all the facts.
6 subtract 6, 8 and 10, 11 and 13.
Are there any other pairs of numbers?
5 and 7.
Ella, do you think you've got a pair that has a difference of 2? Do you want to tell me which your pair is?
10 and 8.
10 subtract 8. Come up, it's here. Open it up. And let's see if it has a difference of 2. And then, Ollie, have you got a difference of 2? 10 subtract 8. Let's open it. It does have a difference of 2. Right, Ollie, which one are you going to go for now? Try and have one in your head before you come up. 8 subtract 6. Let's have a look. That has a difference of 2. Fantastic. Who else is going to come up and do one? We've got 8 subtract 6. Can you find another one?
I'm looking. 6 subtract 4.
6 subtract 4. Well done. They've got a difference of 2. Milo, which ones have you found?
5 subtract 3. Also has a difference of 2.
It does, darling. Freddie, can you open one and tell us about it?
9 subtract 2.
9 subtract 2, open that one up. Now that's got a difference of 7, but that's given us a bit of a clue, because if 9 subtract 2 is 7...
7 subtract 2.
There is something to do with a 9, a 7 and a 2, and it's this one. 9 subtract 7 has a difference of 2. Okay, what other ones can we see? Oh, do you want to open a couple, Rayhan? You had lots in your head. 2 subtract 0 has a difference of 2. Can you say as you're opening it, please?
5 and 7.
7 subtract 5 has a difference of 2. Now, Lucy, we're getting a bit of a pattern here. Are there any others that you can see that we've not opened yet on our pattern?
That one.
So what does that say?
4 subtract 2.
4 subtract 2 has a difference of 2. And there is one more in this pattern that Harry's going to come and open for us. Harry, what is the last subtraction fact with a difference of 2?
No, this one.
Ah, what's it? What's the fact?
3 subtract 1.
Has a difference of 2. Okay. Year 1, you've worked really hard today on finding the difference between 2 numbers, and we've learnt that we can use our part whole to help us find the difference between 2 numbers. And we're going to be carrying on looking at pairs of numbers with a difference of 2 tomorrow. The one thing that I wanted the children to understand in that lesson was that difference is a form of subtraction.